Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now, this is a summary of the life cycle of the HIV virus. And I have displayed this slide so that you can see the short questions that you can expect from this topic. And for example, interaction between viral envelope proteins and CD4 receptor and co-receptor leads to the binding of the viral envelope and host cytoplasmic membrane. तो इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, हाउ डज द वायरल एनवेलप और द वायरल पार्टिकल HIV वायरस रिकॉग्नाइज इट्स रिसेप्टर. ठीक है, so it is interaction between the envelope proteins and the CD4 receptor, that is compatibility of the proteins, compatibility of the surface markers, जिस जो के इसकी combination को help out करते हैं. Then the function of reverse transcriptase. Viral reverse transcriptase catalyzes the conversion of viral RNA into DNA, complementary DNA, viral DNA. Then the function of integrase. The proviral DNA enters the nucleus and becomes integrated into chromosomal DNA of the host cell. Okay, it becomes integrated with the chromosomal DNA of the host cell, catalyzed by integrase enzyme. जिससे आपको यहाँ नजर आ रहा है. Expression of the viral genes leads to the production of viral RNA and viral proteins. ठीक है? In which process of the infection, in which part of the infection does the viral RNA and viral protein appear in the human body? That is during the stage of expression. During the stage of expression. The function of protease enzyme. Protease enzyme cleaves, breaks down protein into functional mature products. Viral proteins and viral RNA are assembled at the cell surface into the new viral particles and leave the host during budding or during lysis. ये दोनों एक ही चीज है. Okay, now let us go back to the screen. Let me show you the life cycle. Life cycle आप लोगों को एक दफा मैं show करती हूँ. Now this life cycle is a little bit detailed. एंड इसके अंदर आपको नजर आएंगे कि ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर जो है वो कहाँ पर हाउ द ह्यूमन immune system is trying to stop the virus at each stage. Whereas you don't have to learn the impact of the human immune system. I'm just going to show you the stages of the life cycle. ठीक है? And if you want, you can note down the impact of the human immune system also. Okay, now this is the structure of the HIV virus. This is the viral RNA inside, the glycoprotein 120 or the protein 24, and then we have, this is the viral particle which is approaching the human cell. This is the CD4 receptor where it is going to combine. It has come over here and it is combining with the CD4 receptor. Now, entry inhibitors are present in the body, which are going to stop the entry. However, if the virus manages to enter, it fuses and then uncoats into the body. These are the three enzymes, and this is the RNA, and it has injected the RNA into the human body. We have at this stage, we also have fusion inhibitors, which are working inside our body. Reverse transcription, in which the DNA is going to be produced, and the DNA, again we have inhibitors, the DNA is going to enter the nucleus. ठीक है, nuclear localization का मतलब it is going to be now confined into the nucleus and entry. It is going to fix with the chromosomes that are with a DNA inside that, and that process called integration in the presence of integrase enzyme. However, we have inhibitors everywhere. Viral DNA transcription takes place. Translation is going to take place. Post-translational processing is going to take place, in which the proteins, this look here, this is the cleaving of the proteins, in which the proteins are going to be attached and they are going to form the viral structure. Assembly is going to take place. Assembly takes place on top of the cell membrane, and this viral structure is going to bud off. After it buds off, it destroys the shape of the human cell. This process on an average takes about 1 to 2 days, but the incubation period is of about 8 to 10 years. Now, this is the stage of infection. Fusion and entry. reverse transcription, nuclear localization, integration. This is the stage of infection. Now the stage of expression: translation, transcription, translation, post-translational processing, assembly, budding, or lysis. This is the second stage of the viral infection, which is known as expression. With this, we come to the end of this topic. And I hope you people learn this topic properly. Okay, see you in the next class, Vita.